Hello 7th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing about the lesson operations on rational numbers. Now coming to the worksheet 2, question number 6. We are discussing about the subtraction of a rational numbers, isn't it? So coming to the 6th sum. So it is simplify minus 4 by 5 minus 3 by 15 plus 7 by 20. The denominators are all positive. So directly you can take the LCM. Now the biggest number is 20. 20 ones are 20. 5 के टेबल में है, 15 में नहीं है. 5 twos are 40. 5 के टेबल में है, 15 के नहीं. 5 threes are 60. So in both it is there. So we will take the LCM as 60. तो डायरेक्टली करने का अभी कॉन्फिडेंट है आप लोग, है ना? सो न्यूमरेटर -4 into 5 how much are 60? It is 5 12s are 12 5s are 60 minus 3 into 15 how much are 60? 15 4s are 60, है ना? प्लस 7 into 23s are 60. Hope you are understanding. Next step is a multiply. Minus plus minus 12 4s are 48. Now minus 3 4s are 12 plus 7 3s are 21 upon 60. Now minus minus, you have to add. So minus 8 plus 2 10, 1 plus 4 5 plus 1 6 plus 21 upon 60. Now the different signs you have to subtract. 60 is bigger, so it has got minus. 10 minus 1 9. Now 5 is remaining. 5 minus 2 is 3 upon 60. अभी ये 3 के टेबल में जाएगा. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6 and 0. So the answer is minus 13 by 20. You have to convert to the lowest term. Now coming to the second sum, it is the denominator. Here it is negative. So convert first. So it becomes minus 5 by 13 minus 3 by 26 minus, this becomes minus 9 by 52. समझ में आया? सबसे पहले डिनोमिनेटर को पॉजिटिव करो. अभी ये तीनों नंबर को देखेंगे तो 52 इज द LCM. 52 26 2s are 6, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4 5. 13 4s are 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4 5. So 52 is the LCM. तो इधर न्यूमरेटर 5 है. 13 4s are multiply by 4 minus 3 into 26 2s are, so multiply by 2 minus 9 into 52 1s are. Hope you are confident of this method now, isn't it? You are getting used to it. So 52 LCM minus plus minus 5 4s are 20. Now minus plus minus 3 2s are 6 minus 9 1s are 9. So now it will be minus 20 minus of minus plus 6 minus of minus plus 9 upon 52. That means minus 20 plus 6 plus 9 9, 10, 15 upon 52. Now different signs, subtract, 20 is bigger, minus sign, minus 5 by 52. समझ में आया? We'll discuss the third one now. So for the third one, it is a 24, 12 and 18. बड़ा नंबर 24 है. So 24 ones are 24. So 24, here it is there 18. 18 twos are 26. 18 twos are, sorry. 18 twos are 36, isn't it? Okay, now 24 twos are 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 4. So 48 12 के टेबल में है एंड 18 के टेबल में नहीं है. So directly it will be how much? 72. So if you check, it will be 72. So it is 72. 7 into 24, how much are 72? It is 3s are. 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 7. So 3s are plus 5 into 12, how much are 72? You know, 12's 5s are 60, 12 6s are 72. Minus 11 into 18, how much are 72? 18 4s are. 4 8s are 32, 4 1s are 4, 5 6 7. So it is a 4s are. Now 7 3s are 21 plus 5 6s are 30 minus 11 4s are 44 upon 72. Now 1 plus 0 0, 2 plus 3 5 minus 44, sorry, this is 51. 1 plus 0 1 and 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay. Now 51 minus 44, that is 11 minus 4 is 7. 4 minus 4 is 0 upon 72. Answer is 7 by 72. Now coming to the fourth sum, 30, 15, 6, 5. 30 is the LCM, 15 twos are, 6 5s are, 5 6s are. So LCM is 30. So minus 11 into 30 है तो 1s are, minus 8 into 15 2s are 30, multiply by 2. 7 into 6 5s are 30, 5. Then minus 2 into 5 6s are 30. It's becoming easier, isn't it? Easier than the earlier method. Now minus 11, this one will be minus 8 2s are 16. Now plus 7 5s are 35, minus plus minus minus and plus minus minus. So minus 6 2s are 12 upon 30. Now माइनस के पहले करो 2 6 8 9 1 2 3, मतलब माइनस वाले इकट्ठे करने का 35 प्लस अपॉन 30. अभी साइन अलग है, 39 बड़ा है तो माइनस 39 माइनस 35, इट इज 4 अपॉन 30. 3, 2 2s are 2, 1s are 5s are. Answer is minus 2 by 15. Is there any doubt? Hope everyone is understanding this method. Simplify, just you have to go on simplifying and get the answer. The verification is little bit tough. This is easy comparatively. Now coming to the 7th, find the value of x minus y and y minus x. Means what? The commutative property. Isn't it? Two rational numbers, when you interchange, it won't be equal, but we have to show. So first we will write the x minus y. Value is given 2 by 3 minus 5 by 9. 2 by 3 minus 5 by 9. Now 3 and 9. What is the LCM? 9. 3 3s are 9. So numerator is 2. 3 how much are 9? 3 3s are. Minus 5 into 9 1s are. So here 2 3s are 6 minus 5 1s are 5 upon 9. 6 minus 5 is 1 upon 9. So you got x minus y to be 1 by 9. Now we will see y minus x. That means y is 5 by 9 minus x is 2 by 3. LCM is same, 9, 5, 1s are 5, because 9 1s are 9. So multiply by 1 minus 2 into 3 how much are 9? 3 3s are. So you get 5 1s are 5 minus 2 3s are 6 by 9. So now you get minus 1 by 9. This we have told earlier itself in the properties. So the answer will be, the number will be the same, but the signs will be different, means opposites. So it is a 1 by 9 is not equal to minus 1 by 9. So therefore x minus y is not equal to y minus x. Is it okay? Now coming to the question number 8. For the values are given, this is associative property, isn't it? 3 rational numbers. So find the values of, first we will find out x minus y bracket minus z, and then x minus bracket y minus z. Find the value. Put the values first. X, it is 1 by 10 minus 3 by 5 bracket close minus 7 by 20. So first square bracket 10 and 5, LCM is 10. So in the numerator 1 into 10 1s are 10. Multiply by 1. Now here minus 3 into 5 2s are 10. So multiply by 2. Then minus 7 by 20 as it is. Put the brackets, then only it will be clear for you. Now it is a 1 1s are. It is 1 minus plus minus minus 3 2s are 6 by 10 minus 7 by 20. So this becomes 1 minus minus plus 6 by 10 minus 7 by 20. So it became 1 plus 6 is 7 by 10 minus 7 by 20. Now 10 and 20, which is the LCM? 20. So it is 7 into 10 2s are 20 minus 7 into 21s are. समझ में आ गए? न्यूमरेटर लिखने का, डिनोमिनेटर से पूछने का, जो नंबर आया उससे मल्टीप्लाई करो. सो 7 2s are, it is 14 minus 7 upon 20, that is 7 by 20. Okay, so you got x minus y minus z. Now second and third, that subtraction should be done first. So put the values. It is 1 by 10 minus 3 by 5 minus 7 by 20. So 1 by 10 minus square bracket 5 and 20. 20 is the LCM. Now numerator is minus 3. 5 how much are 20? 5 4s are 20 minus 7 into 21s are. Is it clear? Now 1 by 10 minus plus minus 4 3s are 12 minus 7 1s are 7 upon 20. So you got 1 by 10 minus 12 minus 7 minus 19 by 20. Isn't it? So that means 10 and 20. 20 is the LCM. So 1 into 10 2s are minus bracket minus 19 21s are. Now 2 1s are. It is 2 minus of minus plus 19 upon 20. Now 19 plus 2 is 21 upon 20. So now you got 21 upon 20. That means what? 7 by 20 is not equal to 21 upon 20. Therefore, x minus y minus z is not equal to x minus y minus z. The associative property does not apply for a subtraction of rational numbers. So we have completed worksheet 2. Hope everyone understood this method, the subtraction, isn't it? Bye. Thank you.